So actually, I got things wrong. First thing you want to do is wash your hands when I already did that, and then you want to turn your oven to 450. And do I hate bake again? No. And you wait for that to preheat, and then you put your chicken and your chicken in a bowl together, and you mix vegetables. And if you make a small mess, that is okay. Like, as you can tell, I made a small mess. You clean up your mess. And now you want to put your mixed vegetables into the mixer. And then you want to mix. If the king chicken is not enough, you always grab another thing of it. But it looks pretty enough, or do you just perfect? So now you grab your pie crust, you open it. Now there will be the bacon. And now should we grab this? Pause it.